friends, today I received these new hoyiours lavalier microphones. And they are quite handy because we do use them a lot. Okay, set it up here. It comes with its instruction manual. I'll give it a quick read. Okay, comes with many accessories, which is quite nice. I like that. Okay, so first, here is a receiver. It's nice, it's compact. Here says a name, and it has this lightning port, so you can charge your phone while you are using the microphones. Okay, so this is the microphone. It comes with a tool that is very nice. It's very compact, as you can see. It's small and comes with its own charging cable for the microphones, which is a USB-A and two USB-C exits. As you can see, you just connect it and ready to go. This product is high and easy, very easy to use, and it comes with two of these noise reduction plush balls, which is very nice. You can set it up like this, and it's noise reducing. These lavalier microphones have a distance of about 20 meters approximately, and up about 40 meters when used face to face on an open area, which is quite nice. And you can use these microphones up to 10 hours after charging it for just about 2 hours, which is quite nice, and it demonstrates the power of its battery. So what I'm gonna do now is use the microphone to see how you guys are listening to me. It's a demonstration part, and I think it will be perfect. Okay, so right now I've already connected the microphone into my phone. This is a transmitter, and this is how it sounds. I mean, I hope it sounds very nice. These are very small, they are very compact. And what I'm gonna do is set this noise reduction plush into the microphone. It goes like this, and you make sure that it's well put, so you can just have it on your hand like this. I've seen many people use microphones like this, and they go like, "Oh, what you're thinking? Oh, that's really nice." Or you could put it like it's intended way upon your shirt like this. So yeah, I hope you like this product. It's really nice, it's very compact and easy to use.